welcome to my Barbie dream house. So first we are in our living room. So we have a beautifully designed table right here, and we have some beautiful flowers, a cute sofa, and some photos over here, a clock, and some paintings. We have a AC right there, and we have a storage cabinet. And next we are going to our kitchen. First we have a fridge, and let's start from here. We have a sink, and down here we have all our dishes, and here is all our stuff. We are making some eggs and toast. There is some more storage here, and there is an oven right here. We have a dustbin right here, and here is our refrigerator, and this is our freezer, and we have all our stuff right here. This is the egg container, all the milk bottles, water bottles, and some vegetables, and of course some fruits. Now let's move on to the second floor. To go to the second floor, we have a lift. So to have a nice view, we will get the lift down, and first we have a study table. My doll is sitting here, and here's a chair. We have a cabinet with storage. Here is her bag. Then we have a night table lamp, some flowers, some books, a clock, some paintings, a piggy bank, some suitcases, and some more storage here. Up there we have a bed for our doll. My doll is sleeping here, and a bedside table, and a alarm clock. Now over here we have her nice almirah. We have a mirror right here, it's real. Some doll clothes on the hangers, some makeup